The mosque and madrasa of Sultan Hassan in Cairo is one of the largest Islamic religious buildings in the world. The building was constructed for Sultan Hassan bin Muhammad bin Qalawun in 1256 AD as a mosque and religious school for all sects. It was designed so that each of the four main Sunni sects has its own school while sharing the mosque. The Mosque of Sultan Hassan is one of the largest mosques in the world, measuring 150 meters in length and covering an area of 7,906 square meters. Its walls rise to 36 meters and its tallest minarets to 68 meters. Visitors enter the complex through a tall portal that is itself a work of art. A dark and relatively low-ceilinged passageway leads to the brightly lit sahn, a standard open courtyard. A dark and relatively low-ceilinged passageway leads to the brightly lit sahn, a standard open courtyard. The courtyard centers on a domed fountain, which was probably an Ottoman addition. Soaring on four sides of the courtyard are vaulted iwans or sit-rooms, accented by hanging lamp chains and red and black rims. Each iwan is devoted to one of the four Sunni schools. Skillfully fitted between and behind each iwan is a madrasa, complete with its own courtyard and 4 stories of cells for students and teachers. One of the iwans also functions as a sanctuary containing the mihrab and minbar. It is distinguished from its roughly plastered counterparts by soft-hued marble inlay and a band of Kufic script. To the right of the minbar is a bronze door decorated with radiating stars in gold and silver, which leads into the mausoleum of Sultan Hassan. The lighting is aesthetically pleasing, consisting of a circle of lamps hanging down from the dome and surrounding the tomb in the center. There are many small windows in the walls to let in the light and allow fresh air to move about the mausoleum. The tomb itself, but to host the body of Sultan Hassan, is surrounded by a small carved wooden fence. It is oriented towards the Qibla wall. Behind the tomb is another mihrab that is similar to the one in the Qibla Iwan, also well decorated with gold inscriptions. There are large ground-level windows from which the citadel can be seen. Situated next to the mihrab is the marble minbar, the pulpit from which the imam stands. Here, there is a small bronze door that leads to the staircase. These decorated doors open from the center and have some golden verses of the Holy Quran inscribed along its upper edge. Structurally from the outside, the mosque is very impressive, holding its own impressive cornice and protruding verticals of its facade, even though it stands in the shadows of the massive citadel. The Mosque of Sultan Hassan is regarded as the finest piece of early Mamluk architecture era in Cairo.